Good morning everyone. Welcome back once again in your online biology class. Okay, student, I have completed in the last period about the excretion, the last topic of the life process, chapter number 1. So very long chapter. In this chapter you are all aware about the digestion, excretion, respiration. Okay. Now student, today I will discuss about the new chapter, control and coordination in the plants and animals. Student, I would like to share one skills. I want to give you some questions in any day of chapter life processes according to the concept of this chapter. So you will give the answer of my question. In the question I will given only the MCQ style, but this is not a MCQs. This is very typical questions, very complex question, but answer will be one. Whatever I am giving 2 option, 3 option or 4 option, doesn't matter, but you should click on only the correct answer. Okay. So student, please give me some days. I will make the question paper and share it in your online classes. Okay student. So now open your new topic, that is control and coordination in the plants and animals. This is my topic, control and coordination in plants and animals. Control and coordination in plants and animals. What is control and coordination? So all living organisms give response to their react. All organisms give response to their react. React means reaction. All living, animals and plant both, they give response to their reaction. So all of you learn in this chapter about the structure and function of the neuron. In this chapter you will be aware about the structure and function of neuron. Student, neuron found only in the animal cell, not found in the plant cell. Plant cell give response by their chemical process, but in human being, chemical substances and neurons are both are present. Okay. And second, we will also aware or discuss with me transmission of transmission of what? Impulse through neurons. neurons. What is the method of the transferring of the impulses in the neurons? And neuromuscular junction reflex are neuromuscular junction. And also you will learn about the structure of reflex are. Okay. You will learn the brain, spinal cord. In this chapter, you will learn about the structure of brain and spinal cord, hormones and growth of plant, hormones, growth of plants. Okay, endocrine and exocrine gland, endocrine, exocrine, glands. Exocrine and endocrine glands, feedback mechanism. So, student, this is very important chapter. How nervous system are work in our body, how our body balance to their environment, what are the thinking approach according to their specific reaction. Okay, and what is the function of the brain, spinal cord, hormone, what kinds of the hormone and their function, and student, what is the feedback mechanism, how it will be controlled in our ductless gland. Ductless gland. In multicellular organism except sponge. Okay, I am going to first of this is the introduction. You will discuss, you will learn this topic in the chapter control and coordination in plant cell unit. Okay. So multicellular organism is more than one cells. All plants and animals are the multicellular organism except multicellular organism except sponges. Okay, sponges have specialized nerve cells, have specialized cells called neurons for responding, have neurons or responding. What responding? From their reaction. From their reaction. So student, a neuron or nerve cell is the structure function unit of the nervous system. So a neuron is the structure and CTI functional unit of nervous system. So a neuron or is the structure and functional unit of the nervous system. Suppose cell is the structure and functional unit of the living organism, and neuron is the structure and functional unit of the nervous system. Okay, it is very longest cell found in our body, very longest, and very smallest, that is the blood cell. Blood cell is very smallest, and nerve is about 1 meter long. Oh, so nervous system controls and coordinate various functions in the body. Controls and coordinate the different function in the body. So nervous neurons control and coordinate various functions of the body. So generally they control on the hormones and second is the hormones endocrine gland. Suppose they control on hormone and endocrine gland. So student, our next topic will be the nervous system in animals. Nervous system in animals. Okay, you can write down this, some tips for learning purpose or introduction of the neurons. So student, I am going to your next topic, nervous system in animal. Nervous system in animals. Student, I have discussed just 1 minute before that multicellular organism have a complex cells that is called neurons. Multicellular organism have a complex cell called neurons, which is responsible for the control and coordination of the cell. So neurons is respond to a stimuli. They give response to a stimuli. Response to a stimuli. Stimuli whatever, touching, injuries, accidents, and according to them This is the response. How can I protect themselves from the particular stimuli? So, how can you define the stimuli? Stimuli. STIMU. What is stimulus or stimuli? You can write down. Factor including any changes in external or internal situation or internal situation of an organism which causes any what any kind of reaction. Okay, in it you can know mechanical, chemical, etc. Mechanical, chemical, etc. This reaction of the organism, to the provide stimulus is known as response. To stimulus. Okay, so I will once again revise this. Stimulus, factor including any changes in the external or internal situation of an organism. External, outside of the body, internal, inside of the body, which cause any kind of reaction. Suppose jumping, walking, running, or speaking, heartbeat, and the different effect on the internal organism for the secretion of the hormones also, and which causes any kinds of reaction in it, mechanical or chemical. This reaction of the organism to the provide stimulus, by the provide the stimulus is known as response to stimulus. Okay, you can write down. You know, plant have the lack of the neurons, so they give the response only by the chemicals process. So they are controlled and coordinated by the chemical substances. But in the animals, chemicals and neurons both are found. So this is called neuroendocrine. animals, both. This is called neuro, endocrine, and plant give response by the chemicals. Okay. Now, animal receives a variety of external stimulus. Means animals receive a variety of external stimulus through specialized structure called sense organ. You know, there are 5 sense organs. They receive different kind of the stimulus from the environment. 5 sense organs, you know: ears, nose, tongue, skin, and eyes. Ears for the hearing, nose for smelling, tongue for taste, skin for temperature, and eye for seeing, receptor organs. So they are the different sense organs which accept the variety of external stimulus, which is the capable for receiving the different types of the stimulus. So various types of receptor in body. What are the various receptors in our body? Various body. What are the various receptors of the body? Photoreceptors. You can write down photo. Second, phonoreceptors. RECEPTORS. Third, you can write down olfacto. Olfacto receptor. Fourth, gastro receptors. And fifth, thermoreceptor. For light, for sound, for smell, for taste, and for heat. Retina in eyes is responsible for inner ear, detect sound, smell, olfactory nasal cavity, in nose, in ear, gastro, buccal cavity, on in the buccal cavity, and head, okay, skin, So there are 5 receptor organs in body. In eyes, that is called retina. In ears, that is called malleus, incus and stapes. And in nose, nasal cavity. In buccal cavity, gastrointestinal. They are tongue found. There are many taste buds are present on the surface of the tongue, and thermoreceptors on the skin. Okay, so you can write down first of all the 5 receptor organs and their stimulus. Okay, student. So there are 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs are found in our body. They accept the 5 types of the stimulus from the external environment. They all send their information to the brain. All sense organs receive stimulus from external environment and send it into the brain through the sensory nerve. Then brain analyzes all the reactions to the receptor organs. Now brain send all the response to the different receptor organs by the motor nerve. By the motor nerves. So sensory nerves bring the information of stimulus from the external environment and brain to the brain, and brain provide the response to the different organs and analysis. After analysis, they give the response to the different receptor organs, sense organs. Okay. For such is the for smelling, for the vision, for the taste. So brain detect all these. Okay, student? Okay, stop your topic. So control and coordination is very, very sincere, very slow talk. Coordination is very slow motion because brain detect the all types of the response to the receptor organs. So it provides the very, very working for different interrelated organs. Okay, so all of you, I hope you will all coordinate to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Your class is over. But before leaving the class, I am going to write down the homework. Read, wow, stimulus, and various receptors are receptors organs in one body. Okay, read about stimulus and responses and various receptors organ in our body. Receptors, various receptors of the body. Okay student, write down. Thank you. Have a nice day. Class is over.